I have already told you all these souls were there in the world of ideas. They became influenced by sensual desires, therefore became bonded in the human body. हमारी जो आत्मा है वो बंध गई. It became bound by human body, 5 senses. And with this bondation, we forgot all the knowledge we had in that world of ideas. In world of ideas, we knew all the things. All the knowledge was there. But when we came down, we forgot. And now, in this world of objects, we see some things and we recollect the knowledge. जैसे छोटे बच्चे को हम बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं सिखाते पर उसे अपने आप आ जाती है. कोई चलना सिखाता है, चलने में सपोर्ट करते हैं, चलना नहीं सिखा सकते तुम, वो खुद सीखता है. Similarly, lot of things we learn naturally, nobody is teaching us. And how do we learn? Just by recollecting that knowledge in this world. So basically the job of soul is recollection. वो चीजें जो हमें पहले पता थी उसको जब हम देखते हैं हमें अच्छा काउनेस, अब हमें काउनेस शब्द नहीं पता, लेकिन जब एक काऊ देख ली तो दूसरी काऊ देखते हैं तो हम पहचान जाते हैं, अरे ये तो काऊ है. तो वो जो हमारे नॉलेज जो हमारे पास थी दोनों के एक जैसे होने की काउनेस थी, उसका नाम नहीं पता हमें, we don't know the name of it, but we know what it is. Similarly, in how Plato reached to this conclusion, in one of his books and in one of his dialogues, he took a slave boy, the one who has had no education, and he just started asking him questions, yes, no type के questions, and with that the boy could solve a very complex mathematical problem. So basically Plato reached the conclusion that this boy already knew, but problem was that he has forgotten that knowledge. So now the aim of our soul or aim of us is basically to recollect, have more and more experiences, have more and more knowledge, and recollect as much as we can about all the knowledge of ideas. हमें ideas की जितनी knowledge collect करनी है वो हम collect कर ले, और यही उसकी reasoning थी प्लेटो की. This is the reason Plato says that in this world we keep taking births and rebirths. जब तक कि हमें पूरी नॉलेज नहीं आ जाएगी तब तक हम इसी एम्पिरिकल वर्ल्ड में बर्थ एंड डेथ देखते रहेंगे. बुरे कर्म करेंगे, इफ वी डू इविल you will be born as horse, pig. If you do good, he doesn't use the word karma, he uses the word knowledge. The better knowledge that you collect, with that knowledge you will be born as philosopher or in a better house where you can gather more knowledge. So basically ultimate aim of being born is to collect maximum knowledge. No problem. And once all the knowledge is collected, the soul becomes free and it goes to world of ideas. वो free हो जाती है, world of ideas में चली जाती है. ठीक है.